Hey guys, it's Diane with my curly hair. I washed it late yesterday afternoon and I let it dry, all afternoon and while I watch TV. And this is how it looks. It's not very good, okay? I know that I could put, Chloe's barking. I know I could put like a mousse or styling gel in it and scrunch it and make it look better. But if I did that, it wouldn't last all week. And plus, I think it looks silly being all curly as old as I am. I just do. So, I have my hot rollers on, ready for me to roll it. This is not comfortable for me, for you to see my hair looking like this. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I fix it. And it lasts all week. Okay? I'll be right back. Well, I'm back and my hair is cool. So I'm going to take down all the ones all the way around. Again, this is uncomfortable for me. I can't believe I'm doing this. Now, you're probably wondering why I don't just take it all down and pick it out. Because it would be too fluffy. You know what I'm saying? So I want all the way around the bottom to be as straight as possible. So I use this. I don't know what it's called. It's by Tymo. Timo. Your hair goes through these things like a straightener. So I just pull it through. Now I have done my whole hair in this, and it's too flat, too straight. Maybe not for the first day, but after that, like the day after, it is really, really flat. And there's nothing you can do about it until you wash your hair again. It's hard to get the back one. I'm not going to let my hair get much longer. I trimmed it about an inch probably a month ago. Okay, I can turn that one off. And then I take down the next row. See how much curlier that is than this. So I have to straighten it. I know this is a big ordeal to fix your hair, but I only have to do it once a week. Now I use this, which is a roller. It's hot and it will straighten my hair also, but not as much as the other one. And I can turn it like that to kind of make the ends a little bit not so straight. And I never go next to my head with any of it, because if I do that, then my hair is just going to lay flat on my head, which I don't like that either. Someone asked what kind of shampoo I use, and I just don't know that really matters, but I use Tresemme. I think that makes my hair feel better than anything. And at times I have used Swabbed, which is the less expensive. And I like Swab a lot. So now that I am in retirement mode, I probably will go back to Swab. I don't want my hair to be flat on the bottom, so I'm not going to go down very far, just make the ends as straight as possible. Okay, I need to go get my pick now because I forgot it. I can turn this off, unplug them. I'm going to get my pick and my hairspray. Okay, guys, and I'll let my hair do whatever it does. And I don't brush it, I pick it. And I have a high forehead, and I wished I could wear bangs, but I can't. I feel silly, so it's a little bit straighter than normal. But anyway, now I use Paul Mitchell. It's the Firm Style Super Clean Extra. And the reason I use it is it doesn't feel like really heavy. And I have to use hairspray because if I don't, my hair will sneak back to the curly stage. It's probably not good for my camera. Anyway. Okay, that's about it. Now I'm going to put in some earrings. Had my shower yesterday afternoon, and it's time to make videos. So, I'll see you in the next video. One last thing, and I forgot my byline. Do not ask me if I will show you how to put on makeup, because I'm 76. I just kind of do the basics to get by. That lighting is really bad. But don't ask me to do makeup. And love is coming your way.